basic structure, we're going to be talking about 4 affiliate funnels, and specifically funnels you can use over and over for your ClickBank products. Okay, so it all starts with this 2-step process, an opt-in and a thank you page. So your opt-in page is the first part in your sales funnel, and that's gonna be a hook headline, and this is where you are going to collect emails. Okay, so the title is important. It's going to be something like free video reveals the secret to blah blah blah, and then a sub headline that delivers your big message or your idea that has to do with your niche. And then you're going to have an opt-in form where people can where you can collect the people's information, their name and email. So what that's going to look like, you're going to have a button like this, and bear with me, I'm kind of good. I'm getting better at drawing these with this marker. Okay, so this is going to have name, and then this is going to have email. So then they're going to click submit. Oh, there'll be another button here. Usually you like to have a button either green or orange, because green and orange, sorry, this is terrible. Green and orange are the highest converting, some of the highest converting colors for opt-in pages. So then right here they're going to click submit or whatever it is, access now or whatever you want to put. So name, email, and submit. Now on this page it'll be the thank you page, and this can be, I like to put a video of myself here. So it's going to be a video, people click play, and it'll be you in the background saying, you know, hey, thanks, we received your information. That's supposed to be a stick figure of me, guys. Okay, and then it'll have another button that says something like get the video now. And I'm sorry if I pause a lot in this video. It's just because I'm really thinking through this and how exactly I set up my ClickBank sales funnel offers. Okay, so now the thank you page, this right here is where you're going to have your affiliate link. This button is going to link to your offer. So this is where you put, so this button, oops, is where you put your affiliate link. All right, so now here is the sales page of the offer. So everyone will have a link to the sales page, and it'll have another video right here. So this is going to be the VSL. Yeah, really hard to write letters. Okay, and then of course they can go, I'll do this in blue or green for them to purchase the offer. So the sales page always has a button where they can purchase the product, purchase now. Okay, so guys, the reason this is really important is because people don't usually buy an offer when they're looking online for something, and that is why you need to collect their email right here so that you can follow up with them if they don't buy here on the first attempt when they reach the video sales letter. Okay, so now I pre-selected a product in ClickBank in the fitness and health niche. Again, I will have the link to a video on how to choose a profitable offer on ClickBank, but this video is assuming that you already have your offer and you want to create a funnel for it. So I like these belly fat offers, these diet products, because they're high converting and they have great affiliate resources. So I chose this one here, the 2-week diet. So I clicked on this. This is the sales page, and this is the link to help affiliates. So let's look at the sales page. It's right here. Here's
stopped you from burning fat at an incredible...
That's the video sales letter. And this is where they can order. So this is what people are going to see third. So this is what people are going to see right here when they go through your funnel. Then when I clicked here on affiliate, their affiliate resources link, it comes to this affiliate resources where they have all these things you can use as an affiliate to help with promoting this product. And what I'm most interested in is the email swipes. Okay, so, but I wanted to come back here to, I need to pick language from this page that I'm going to use on my landing page where I'm going to send people. Okay, so I like this here, a foolproof science-based system that guarantees to melt away your unwanted stubborn fat in just 14 days, no matter how hard you've tried before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log into Kartra, which is my sales funnel builder. And in my opinion, the #1 sales funnel platform for affiliates to build their sales funnels. And I could leave a link in the description to try this system out for $1 for 2 weeks if you guys are interested in like what you see as I'm building this funnel. Okay, so now I'm in the back office of Kartra, and what I want to do is come here to pages, because the way it works is you build out a page, a landing page, and a thank you page, and an opt-in form. So what I'm going to do first is actually build a thank you page. So I'm going to build this page first, because with Kartra you kind of have to think backwards a little bit. So I'm going to build a thank you page. Alright, so I've uploaded the pages section of Kartra. Now I'm on the thank you page templates. So I like to choose the simplest ones. Let's just, for demonstration, let's just select this one, and we'll call it 2-week diet thank you page. No category. Create. Okay, so as it loads, this is super simple. Okay, so we don't have a download. Our thank you page is just going to forward them to the offer. So let's just kind of delete what we don't need. We don't really need a logo. We just kind of want to say something like, congrats, you're in. And then I like to put a video always on the thank you page because it's higher converting. And I like to say something like, watch this video before doing anything else. Or watch this video to find out what to do next. Okay, so then we're going to delete this, and we want to come here to components, and we're going to add a video. And you can have a video in Vimeo and on YouTube, and Kartra can also host your videos for you. But what I like to do is just kind of grab a link from my YouTube and put it on there. Just for demo purposes, I'll just put the link to my YouTube channel. But usually what I would do is I would have a video of me describing, what they opted in for, my results with it, and what to expect next, and a call to action for them to click the link below. I'm just going to come and grab one of my videos just to show you guys how you can add any YouTube video to a video here on Kartra and on your funnel. So this is going to work. So now you see that if they press play, the video plays. Okay, so for this button, oops, I cloned it, didn't want to do that. For this button, we can change the color. We can change it to green, which I like to do because it's a little bit more high converting. We can change the text. Center. We can change the text to say, click here to get started. All right, style. We want it solid.